never seemed so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. You're losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, it's all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, it's all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. All of the things that I want to say just aren't coming out. I'm trading words, got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me, it's all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me, it's all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. There's something about you now I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful, and everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me, it's all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, it's all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you and me. It's all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, it's all of the people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. One day you said, and in 1 month, this love never seems so alive. Salamat. Alam mo naman tayo mga friends, alam ko excited kayo sa Bikini Open, but it's gonna happen in just a short while. For now, you can request songs na gusto nyo marinig. Pag alam nyo yung gusto nyo marinig, tapos meron kami, kakantayin ko po sila kuya, excited na yung mga yun. Punas-punas ha. Alam nyo na mga. Nakita ko na silang lahat sa likod eh. Gano'n na. Ganun-ganun ako nung high school ako eh. Nakunan lang ako eh. Oo. Ang ganda ng songs ha, para sa inyo after ito. Baka may maisip kayo, kuya. Oo ha, bawal malungkot ha. Oo, magbisi siya. Akala niya mga babae, makikita niya. Babae po ako. Hindi lang halata. Oo. I-check niyo po. Amay tuta. Sige, ito na. Go para sa inyo lahat. Applause. Ano yan? Alexa. Don't you know love is just like rain? It keeps on running. see the reasons why our love's alive. You and we're drifting safely by the shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Baka may naisip na kayong song, anything? Daddy, kayo, may gusto kayong madinig bukod sa masasakit na salita. Ano po? Kayo po, kuya. Ano gusto nyo? Baka mga, ano ko eh, taga-subaybay to 30, no? Maka-Duterte kayo. Lahat. Why not, di ba? Ako, okay lang sa akin kahit sino talaga, basta. Pero natutuwa ako ngayon kasi, wala na masyadong pakalat-kalat sa kaling paggabi. Hindi na ako natatakot umuwi. No? In fairness, no? Tapos hindi na ako makakakita ng mga lalaking nakahubad sa kali na hindi maganda katawan. Di ba? Bawal na. Tapos ano pa pang bawal? Basta maganda pag maraming bawal na sakto lang. Di ba, kuya? Oo, para sumunod tayo ng lahat. Kuya, isip kayo ng kanta kasi mga kantang pinaset ko, mga gusto ko, mga alam ko. Baka may gusto kayo, sabihin nyo, kakantahin ko yan. Kayo din mga bagets, ha? Sabihin nyo lang yan, baka may gusto ko yan. Desperado na tayo ko yan. Sige. Yung para kakanta yan eh. Isang tweet ko yan, ha? After nito, gagawin ko yan. First time. Desperado. Sige, ito muna. Tapos Desperado. Para kala kuya. Ano pangalan mo kuya? Taji. Hello, sir. Bakit mo kuya? Ito para sa mga ano, sa mga naghiwalay tapos may balik yan. Tayo na rin. Hiwalay mo ulit ako naman. But Ay, salamat sa mga pumalakpak. Kuya, ito na yung request mo na Desperado. First time ko itong kakatayin swear sa buong buhay ko. Gusto ko siya, pero hindi ko siya nakakanta kasi... Bakit ba hindi? Wala na, hindi ko lang siya nakakanta. Pero sige, bagay mo, di ba, mag-workout. Para sa iyo, kuya, ha? And sa inyo, din. Ayan, go. Desperado. Kuya, pag mali-mali, pagpasensya mo na. The day you're losing all your happiness, and funny how the feeling goes away, away. Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your and open up the gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. You better let somebody love you. For it's too late. First time yun, try my best ha. Pero gusto ko siya, maganda pa rin ang lyrics niya. Maganda ng lyrics ha. Maganda pa rin yung song niya. Kuya, salamat sa'yo kung di dahil sa'yo hindi ko siya mag-discover. The last time, kuya. Tapos ano nito, mag-request lang kayo kung anong gusto niyong song. Yung mga bagets, request din kayo dyan ha. Mamaya nyo pa makikita yung mga girls. Sa ngayon, ano muna, ako muna. Okay lang? Pag ako na-develop sa'yo, mayos ka ha. Pwede ka lang, depende. O sige ah.
Wind of change.
Wind of change. Translation, utot. Wind of change. Alam ko ba yan? Yan ang hindi ako sure. Sorry? Yung mga ano ha. Tara, gawin ko muna to para if ever na hindi maganda. Wind of change, itatry ko yan. Itatry ko.
Pwede lang kumanta isang kasama.
Oh, pwede po. After na namin siya na agad. Patawagin ko siya maya-maya ng pangalan niya. sige, mamaya tawagin ko siya agad. Sige, ito muna. Para sa mga ilaw. First time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all. The next time I settled for, we felt so close, but we left a mess. You're never gonna fall, no. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The first time we walked under the starry sky, there was a moment when everything was clean. And I didn't need to ask or even wonder why, because each question is answered when you're near. And I was enough to know when a miracle unfolds, this is the last time I'll fall in love. Now don't hold back, just let me know. Can I be moving much too fast or way too slow? 'Cause all of my life I've waited for this day, to find that once in a lifetime, this is it, I'll never be the same. You'll never know what it's taken me to say these words, and now that I've said them, they could never be enough. Oh, as far as I can see, there's only you and only me. This is the last time I'll fall in love. Last time I'll fall in love. The last time I'll fall in love. Salamat. Ayan. That's by Eric Benet. Kilala mo po yung song? Alam niyo po yung song? Hindi. Eric Benet po yung panahon yun, no? Pero, hindi ba yun? Wind of Change talaga. Alam ko ba ito, kuya? Tapos kaya after nito, tatawagin ko rin kasamahan ko ngayong gabi para naman to do songs with me. Tapos kakanta din siya ng mga solo niya. Try ko lang ito, kuya, talagang hindi ko mapapangako. Talagang totally bahala na. Sige. Wind of Change. Pakpak tayo, kuya. Pag mali-mali, bahala na. Wind of Change.
Win of change.
Oh, wind. Wind, di ba? Hangin po. Opo. Wind of Change. May landline. Pakisagot po ng landline. Ay, hello, girl. Ano po ba ito? Bahala na. Go. August summer night, and soldiers passing by, listening to the wave of change. After this one, I'm gonna do songs with Bianca, my partner for tonight. I finally found Kuya. Ay, after all muna, bago I finally found you. The world is closing in.